Hey, g'day. This is Sam here from Trade to Prosper, giving another cryptocurrency TA, looking at ADA or Cardano, and looking at the big picture and trying to figure out where's the best entrance. At the moment, we seem to be at another potential bear flag and a breakout to the downside. If we look at from a number of perspectives on this chart, you will see that we have done a topping off structure, which is pretty obvious. And here on the left, I have the Wyckoff cycle. And what we can say that is this circle section could be represented here at the current point. So the next leg down is likely to be accumulation. So where's this accumulation? Well, that's what we're trying to figure out. Applying some simple rules, which is a Fibonacci, we've got the 0.5 and the 0.618, and potentially 0.618 could be the long-term target. So for the short term, we should trade this breakout to the downside. Now, how do we measure that target? We're coming close, and we can apply this Fibonacci. So it's a swing high to a swing low. So from here, swing high, swing low to the swing high, and we get these Fibonacci levels. Now, if we were to compress this in a different way, just by adding that in, you can see that the 618 is about 34 cents, and then based on this structure size, so if this was head and shoulders, potentially left shoulder, head, right shoulder, we get the height from the neckline, and we can measure the wicks and apply it there. It does equate to this Fibonacci, which is the 0.5. So 28 cents or 29 cents roughly is potentially the target. However, we have these Fibonacci's in the meantime, so we could potentially break down to the downside, bounce up, and continue the trend until a week, and that might be our bottom. So I would place a buy order there, which is an averaging in, and then see what happens after that, really. Now that level has confluence with this area as well. So if we were to apply our indicator with volume, let's just apply this and see what it gives us. Doesn't really give us much there except all the way down. So let's apply it to here. I just want to see the point of control. Okay, so the point of control, that's one area there, point of control. And realistically, all the way down here is pretty much the main support. So let's just take this back, bring this down here, which is likely to be our best option to buy in. In the meantime, we could have a trade potential. So we have so what if we call this our A move, a B move, and our C move? That'll probably be a good thing. This does still look like a wave 2 to 3 coming down. So this could be wave 3, wave 4, and our wave 5 is potentially there. So I am interested in this area at the moment, and this does look like a descending triangle or head and shoulder or continuation formation to the downside. It's in line with our cycle here, and that's pretty much it at the moment. We have these 200 moving daily moving averages. We have what's this one here, the 50. So the 50 moving average acting as resistance, and the 20 as well along the way. So we can probably trade this trend with the 20 and the 50 a long way down on the daily. So I'll wrap it up on that and talk to you soon. Cheers.